To create an extruded cut or extruded boss feature up to a surface or a vertex, we have to go to the end condition settings drop-down, then select up to surface, then select the required surface and hit OK. Now this isn't so tedious when modeling a small part, but in case of larger assemblies, any possible cut in the number of steps means a lot of time saved cumulatively. To create an extruded feature up to a surface quickly, just double press on the surface and hit enter. Double press and hit enter. Select the sketch. Create an extruded boss feature. Double click on the surface and hit OK. For vertices, just single click does the work. Select the sketch, create an extruded boss feature, and single click on the vertex up to which you want the boss to be extruded. A very simple trick, but saves a lot of time in practice. That's it for tip number 4. Off to another tip.